Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is Dressing Dallas. I hope you guys are having a great February so far. Today we're going to do a little tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is my Valentine's Day look. It's very subtle, it's very easy, and it looks pretty on everybody. You've got a really pretty natural looking eye with a more neutral pink lip. Literally everyone can pull this off and it's so easy to do. So if you are new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell so you know whenever we have new videos, and all of the products and brushes and all the information you need for this tutorial is down in the description, so be sure to check that out, as well as all the links to my other social media. I'm really active on Instagram. My username over there is just Dressing Dallas, and then I'm also super active on TikTok, which again, my username is Dressing Dallas. So super easy to find me on social media. I hope you guys come over and say hey. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and get started with this makeup look. Alright, we are going to start the whole look off with the Silk Pore Minimizer. This primer is amazing. I just get it all on my face and I let it dry for about 5 minutes. And then we are going to buff the light color correcting tinted moisturizer onto our skin. You can see that it's helping with my redness, it's super hydrating, and it is the perfect foundation for everybody. Now we are going to go ahead and conceal. I'm using the light and the white concealer, and I am buffing that in with my fingers, and now I am taking my favorite concealer brush ever. I've linked it in the description of this video, and I am just buffing that in, and look, I look so awake and amazing. Now I'm going to take our liquid highlighter, which is Pearlizer. This is the regular, and I am just buffing this on really lightly on top of my cheeks, on top of my eyes, and on top of my cupid's bow for a little bit of shine. Now I'm going to take the Bronze Dust Loose Powder and buff this on my cheeks, my forehead, and under my chin. This is just going to add a little bronze back to the face and add a little bit of dimension, and it's really light. It looks so pretty. Now we are going to take Rustic Brown Shadow Scents and we are going to fill in our brows. I love this color for brows. It is so pretty for those that have darker hair colors. And all I do for brows is I make an outline on the top and the bottom of my brow, and then I buff it together very lightly, and then I go up and down in the front of my brow just to kind of mimic the hair. And we're just going to do that, fill it in, and it makes a huge difference. Let's get started with our eye look now. So I am going in with Mulberry Shadow Scents. This is a really pretty brownish pink. It's very subtle. I am just blending this in my crease, and I'm blending this in my lower lash line just to add a little pop of pink. And as you can see, it's really subtle. It's nothing super bold, but it's just adding that beautiful little pop for Valentine's Day. Alright, now we are going to use one of my favorite shades ever. This is French Roast. This is a limited edition shade, but it's still available for purchase, but grab it before it's gone forever. So we are going to use this in the outer corner just to add more dimension. We are going to be buffing this just right there on the outer corner, buffing it into the crease, and just making sure it blends in perfectly with that mulberry. So now we are going to take Pink Opal Shimmer Shadow Scents, and we are going to pat this onto our lid. This is just going to add a little bit of a pretty metallic shine. I'm not using a ton of this, I'm just adding just enough for a little bit of sparkle, and you can see I am blending it in with my fingers just to make sure it is seamless with the other beautiful pinks we are using. Okay, now we're going to do something really fun. We are going to take our eye scents, but instead of the regular black, we are going to take purple. And this is just going to kind of add to the really pretty pinks and purples look we have going on. You can see that I am adding this to my lash line, I am tight lining, and then I'm just kind of blending it into my lashes. Okay, y'all, this is my secret weapon. This is the Volume Intense Under Scents. This is a lash primer before you put on your mascara. It's kind of a tan color, so you apply it to your lashes, you let it dry, and it adds a ton of volume, a ton of length, and it just makes your eyes pop. Okay, so while our under scents is drying, we are going to go in with Girlfriend Lip Scents. So you want to make sure that you shake your lip scents before you apply, and I'm going to go ahead and apply 3 layers of this color. You want to let each layer dry about 15 seconds before you apply the next one, and that's what we're going to do. So now we're kind of switching back over to our eyes. I am using our Volume Intense mascara, and I'm just going right over that under scents. The cool thing about our mascara and our under scents is it actually will grow your lashes as well as give super intense volume. It's literally the best mascara I have ever used, you guys. For a fun little pop, we are going to use this limited edition purple mascara right over the black. This is kind of going to be my second layer of mascara, and it's just kind of softening up that black a little bit and complementing our eye scents. It is so pretty. Alright, now that we have 3 layers of lip scents on, we are going to top with a hydrating gloss. This is Sweet Pea, so it's got a little bit of a tint to it and a little sparkle. So now the whole look is done. This is super simple, beautiful, and it's going to last you all night. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day, and remember to subscribe. Bye!